Welcome to Robert Trace Cars by Triple B. We're out in the shop, about to get this broke piece of hunk of metal in the back of the truck. We're gonna go back to the original Robert Trace car shop here shortly and start breaking it down. And I don't know, I think we're just gonna try to fix it ourselves. Jay Dickens is super backed up. I mean, they're very popular, so that's understandable. They said we couldn't even bring it to them until October and probably wouldn't see it back until February of 2024. So I don't know, it's crazy, good for them. Great motor builder, just we can't wait that long. And I don't know, we've always built our own stuff. Only difference is this thing's got an aluminum block. You know, we've done everything else ourselves. So we're gonna bring it to my dad's and start breaking it down, and then see what we can do about bringing the heads and the block, if we have to bring the block to a machine shop and get them back where they need to be so we can start reassembling this thing. So here we go.
At Nani's house?
We're at Pop shop.
No, at Nani's house.
So we made it up here, we got it out the trailer. So one good thing is there's no holes nowhere. Nothing blew out the bottom. We know we broke a valve, demolished a piston. Now we broke, I think, the intake valve.
A big camera.
Yeah, you can see the exhaust valve in there. I can feel it.
Might be
But,
heavier than most of us.
what? That's a big one, ain't it? But we're about to get this thing on the engine stand and start tearing it apart. So I'll let y'all watch the process.
Start that button. Here, let me button it for you. You're gonna lose the start, silly.
Oh yeah.
What happened? You forgot to button it, or you couldn't do it? Okay, how come you didn't tell me to do it, silly Willie?
So what do you see?
There you go. Now, you silly Willie.
Might have to go real well on the bottom side.
What? Oh, I'm sorry. Let me look at it. Oh, it's got focus, huh?
Seemed a lot worse.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think he's gonna have to do anything to that block.
I hope not.
I might touch weld a couple spots. A couple little spots, grind it, just sleeve it.
Another nugget of aluminum. Piston. Look. Ring. We're in the truck this morning. We got everything loaded up. We got the block heads, crank, cam, basically the whole rotating assembly, basically the whole thing. You know, in the back of the truck, if not in the back of the truck, in the back seat. So we're headed to the machine shop now before work. I'm gonna drop everything off and, you know, see what it's gonna take, see what the time frame might be. Hopefully only be 3 or 4 weeks before we get all this stuff back, and maybe we can start getting it all back together. So about to pull up here in just about 2 or 3 minutes. I think we're about to get off the interstate now. So here we are, David's machine shop over here in Theodore, Alabama. So let's get pulled in here and see if we can unload and he can tell us something. So we just got the motor dropped off and talked to Dave. He said everything seems okay for the most part. It could be a lot worse. So we're gonna wait to see, or wait on his phone call to see what all it's gonna take and how long we're gonna have to wait for it, you know. Hopefully it'll only be about 3 or 4 weeks, like I said. So I don't know, we'll see. But that's part 1 of the super late model motor deal. So I don't know, like, comment, subscribe, and keep in tune for part 2. Maybe we can go pick it up, talk to Dave for a minute, and start that assembly, get back going late model racing again. Thanks for watching.